Hello everyone, today I'm going to guide you how you can generate an Excel using AI. Okay, let me guide you first. Before that, you have to like this, comment this and share this video for future updates, and let me show you how you can do that. You can see I already opened a folder called Excel. By the way, I'm going to create a new folder as 0404. Now I'm just going to click on that folder, then it will be open. Now you can see there's nothing, right? So I'm going to click on this one and then new, then you can select text document. By creating this, you will be able to create a text document. By the way, now I'm going to change the extension here. If you still didn't see the extension, by the way, you have to click on view tab here and then you have to go to the file name extension, just tick it and then you will be able to see the extension here. Also you can click on options here, then you can select change folder and options. So here this is called as folder options. If you are using still a Windows 7 or something like that, actually then you have to search as folder options here. Okay, then you will be able to activate the extension. By the way, now I'm going to right click on this file and then rename and control A. Then I will say this is my first one, ex01.csv. What is that? CSV. Okay, extension is the CSV. Now I'm going to click on enter, then yes. Now you will be able to see the file changes after refreshing. Okay, just press F5, then you will be able to see the icon has been changed already and type also has been changed. By the way, now you can right click on this and then just click on edit. Okay, you can open with by using any type of text editor. By the way, now I'm going to write a CSV. Okay, so I'm going to write a CSV by using AI. Now I'm going to go with Jeda AI. Just go to Google and then type Jeda AI. Then you will be able to see this generative web express link here and click on it. And then you will be able to click on this login button. Just click on it and then you will be directed to the Jeda AI dashboard. Now this is so cool. Okay, if you haven't already used, then this is the best way that you can do that. By the way, this is the dashboard and now you have to just click on new workspace here. Okay, and wait on. Okay, good. If you need to generate some data, then you have to type here. Okay, by the way, first you have to click on this one and then just click on generate as text. Okay, now you just have to type something. Okay, let me type something. I'm going to type 100 records to generate a sample CSV. Okay, actually I just type 100 records to generate a sample CSV. That's all. Now I'm going. You remember I just clicked on text here and I just type this. And also here you can get additional information by using this prompt here. So it will generate some prompts. I mean, it will generate some questions. Okay, so you just type something right here. Now it will generate some questions to make it easy. Okay, easy for you. By the way, now I'm not going to use that. Actually I just click on this button here. Okay, now you will be able to see. Okay, by the way, now it's all right. Now you can see the text. Okay, now you can see the text. Instead of ChatGPT, you can use Jeda AI for more things. Especially this is not the only thing that you can do with Jeda AI. You can do many things. I already have done some tutorials because I'm really impressed with this amazing product. Really. Okay, and by the way, now I'm going to double click on here. Actually first of all, I really need to click on this select button here. Now I'm going to click on this one, double click on this one. Okay, then you will be able to copy all the things here. You have to start from name match thing and then you have to go until this one. Okay, actually you can't see 100 records here, but you can generate more. Okay, more and more by using this structure, by the way. But I'm going to use Ctrl C to copy that and then I will use Ctrl V to paste those contents. Okay, now you can see everything is here perfectly and I'm going to save it as using Ctrl S, and that's all. Now just open it normally. Okay, using Excel, just double click on the file, then you will be able to see we have the Excel file. Okay, but this is not an Excel file because this is a CSV. Now I'm going to save it as, okay, file, then save, file, then save as, and now you can browse somewhere and just select save as, type as the XLSX here. Okay, then you can click on save button. Now you will be able to see the XLSX file is here. So you can see CSV file is 2 kilobytes and XLSX file is 11 kilobyte. You can see the difference. By the way, I just deleted the CSV and then I'm trying to open the XLSX here. Okay, by the way, this is the perfect solution that you can get. Now you can upload this one to Jeda AI again. Okay, just upload this here, that's all. Okay, actually this is called document GPT. Okay, you can generate some visualizations, I mean some charts and blah blah blah. So there are a lot of things that you can do with Jeda AI. By the way, after dragging the document, okay, after dragging the Excel file here, now you have to click on it, and you just actually you don't have to click on it, by the way, you have to click on it and then you can select data GPT. Okay, data GPT, then you will be able to select this one. If you have multiple files uploaded to this workspace, then you can click all. Okay, select all and just get an overview or something like that. Now I'm going to type as overview. Okay, just type as overview by selecting this file. By the way, I just click on this and now let's see what's happening. Okay, this is the magic, right? Nice, very nice. So you can see this is the age distribution chart. Okay, 29, 31, 35, and also this is the this is the female male percentage. I think if I open the Excel again, okay, actually I don't need to open the Excel again, by the way, because you can see if you double click on this one. Okay, if you double click on this one, and then you will be able to see all the data here, right? So this is the web view by Jeda AI. Actually then you can see XLSX preview here. This is the preview of the Excel you uploaded. Actually you have to type more, you have to ask questions, any type of questions you can ask. Okay, then you will be able to go with amazing charts, and you can go with amazing summary. Okay, you can get a summary about this. Okay, now I think it's enough for you, because I just needed to let you know how to generate a CSV by using an AI tool like Jeda AI, and also I needed to let you know how Jeda AI works, especially for your for charts. Actually, because of the lack of data, this is not perfect. But if you got a report, especially if you got a financial report, something like that, just upload that, and then you will be able to see the very organized outcome from this amazing Jeda AI tool. So I'm going to conclude this session, and now you have to like this video, share this video, and comment this video, especially subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then you will be able to see more long form videos in future. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.